Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to create a group on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the chat icon from the bottom of your screen. You will see the new group option at the top of the menu. Tap on it. Choose the contact you want to create a group with. You can also look for certain contacts from the search box. Remember, you cannot add contacts who are not in your contacts. Now tap on the arrow button. Here give a name to your group. Once you give a name to your group, then tap on the check icon. And you will create a group on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to create a group on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.